Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price can move in the next 2 days. If we look at this chart, we can see, look at this pattern. We can see there is continuously was a downtrend for this particular price. Okay, after making this low, which is already tested at guys, I'm telling you since my from April video. So the thing is that the price is continuously down, and from there at hitting at this support, it is continuously in upside. And I have told you one thing, that if something has to go up, it cannot go like directly like this. I'm talking about stocks or indexes, okay, prices. It has to hold for some time, then it can go up, okay, or it can go down. In the same way, suppose it has to come down, it will hold for some time, then it will come down, or it can bounce back again. These are resistance point which is getting hit, and then from there it made a new high at that point, and from there it is now at the downside and made a low of around 1845. Okay, so what we can expect here, see, if you look at this chart, we know that was moving in this particular range for some time, made a high, came down, again made a high, came down, again made a high, came down. Okay, in the same way, again made a high and then came down a little. Now what we can expect, I have told you that 1845 was a very strong support. See, if you have any doubt regarding your gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I have given in the description. Okay, please watch the full video, then you will understand. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, I have given the link in the description. Okay, and if you wish to support also, I have given my details in the downside, you can support it. Okay, see, look at this chart. Now what we can see, the trend they are trying to make is downside. Okay, but what I've suggested you, that till the time, see, this was the low it has made gold price, but after that it hit the new high of that particular 2 months and came down. I'll tell you also, it was 759, it made new high, and then from there it came down to a 724. Again it went high, then it came down, again went high, and then came down. You can see the pattern was continuously forming this way. Okay, so what we can expect here, it made a new high and again came down. So if the price of gold stays above 1845, okay, which is a strong support, so keep in mind 1845, there is high chances that it has already bounced up from that support, and now it is trading at around 1858. Okay, so what I would suggest here is that a trend line is forming in this way. So suppose if this trend line breaks downside, okay, or if it goes below a level of 1852, then we can expect that there is high chances that it can touch a level of 1847, and from there it can touch a level of 1844. Okay, so these are the two things. And suppose if this break 1844 is break downside of 45, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 1843, and once if it stays below 1843, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 1837 also, and from there it can touch a level of 1834 also. Okay, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 1828 also. Okay, suppose if it stays below that level, and then we can expect a target of 1823 also. Okay, or if it goes below that level, then we can expect a target of 1817 also. Suppose if the price goes upside and moves above a level of 1861, then what we can expect here is that we can expect that a target of 1867, and from there we can expect a target of 1870. Okay, after crossing a level of 1861, if it stays above that level, then we can expect a target of 1867, and from there we can expect a target of 1870, and once 1870 is touched, then we can expect a target of 1878, sorry, before the 1874. And once 1874 is touched, then we can expect a target of 1879, and if it stays above that level, then we can expect a target of 1884, and from there we can expect a target of 1889. Once 1889 is touched, and if it stays above that level, then definitely there is high chances that the trend will change in the upper side, and it can touch a level of 1900, and from there the chances that it can cross a level of 1902 also, because it already tested here twice, and so there is high chances that it can touch a level of 1908. Once 1908 is touched, then we can expect a target of 1913 also, and then there is high chances it can touch a level of 1916. So 1916 is already is tested only once, so there is probability that it can bounce back from there. So what you have to do is you can book your profit at this level, or you book your half quantity. Suppose if it goes above this level, then you can hold a half quantity, or if it comes down again to 1915, then please exit the trade for that particular. And wait again where the market trends. So as of now, I would suggest that the trend line is there. So what you can expect, that once it breaks upside or downside, you can trade accordingly. And I have told you the support and resistance points. So if you have any doubt, you can mail me also. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe.